Hi, I'm Carrie from Blissful Moments. I'm glad you're back. Today, I'm going to talk about, actually, it's tonight. I just got home, and it came to me that I think that if we want to help our children, there's a lot of overweight children, even under the age of 10, all the way to teenagers, all the way to young adults. I think if we start teaching them how to read food labels in school and at home at a young age and teach them about sugar and carbs and healthy weight, it's probably good. I know my 10-year-old, when he was 10, now he's 12, he started learning about nutrition labels in school, and I commend the schools on that. That's great. Plus, he'd always grown up hearing it from me for the last few years. I'm always, how much sugar is in there? How much sugar is, I go to the grocery store, he'd come with me. I'd put it back on the shelf once I looked at the label. I'm like, oh no, I'm not eating that. So, to teach our children how to eat healthy at a young age is very good. Then they don't have to have this battle when they're our age, or I say our age, meaning like everyone my age has a problem with it. I'm sorry, that's not the case. I know it's all ages, but it seems like it takes later in life to get a grip on it. Everybody's different. Everybody's metabolisms are different. Some people work out more. Some people don't like sugar. Some people like salt. They crave different things. Some people's metabolism is a lot faster when we're younger, and then when we get older, it slows down. Not everybody's the same. Not one size fits all when it comes to weight loss. And I don't know, but I've been on every program there probably ever was. Every diet pill, every fad, every eat bananas for a week, drink protein shakes for 2 meals and a regular dinner at night. I've done all the plans. Nothing worked until I found out about sugar and carb control. I borrowed a book from the library up the street. Now I base all my clients' programs off of it because it works so well, and I'd already tried all the rest. So I know what works, and it's so simple. And, I know I'm not trying to make money off this. I'm trying to help people. We need to be healthy. Everybody needs to be healthy. We need to teach our children how to be healthy. Sugar is like the worst thing there is. It's causing so many health conditions that we're poisoning ourselves with the things that we're eating. So if we can get a grip on it and then we teach our children, we can stop this. We can stop this now. So if you're here on my YouTube or on my Facebook page or in my salon learning how to do this for yourself, you know what? The whole family can do it. You don't have to buy special food. You don't even have to tell them you're doing it. You just make the meals and you feed it. Kids can only eat what we give them. If you buy a cabinet full of sugary stuff, that's what they're going to eat. That's what they're going to grow up with. That's what they're going to eat when they're adults. You're starting this for your children. This battle that we're having with ourselves right now, you're passing on to your kids. You want your kids to have to worry about this? Let's just teach them now. You learn, you teach them. That's how it works. So if you're here, thank you for watching. If you're YouTube, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. And if not, keep tuning in. I give this information for free. I'm trying to help people. And I just want everybody to be healthy and happy. So tune in. Thank you for watching. Bye.